It's Chris Sumlin here, and I was like craving some beef jerky, and it's a blizzard in Boston, a blizzard. So I have on my coat and these shades and these Michael Kors gloves. You know I'm bad, bad, bad. And I am going to see if I can get to the corner store to get some beef jerky. So why don't y'all just come with me and let's just have a candid moment. And this is Chris Sumlin fights the blizzard for some beef jerky. Right. All right, now I can't even lie, it's bad. But you know, this weather is bad, but this coat is badder. And it's funny because I was just in Miami last week in the sun, standing on the sun. And now I see Jack Frost walking around butt naked. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh my gosh, completely forgot that I have on a hoodie. We gotta protect this head because Lord knows I can't get sick. Now, folks, all of that stuff is closed over there. Domino's, the barbershop. So there's a chance that the corner store could be closed too. But CVS is what we're looking for. And CVS might be open. We'll see. Stay tuned. And you know CVS stands for Chris, very talented Sumlin. So I just want to see if they'll open the door. But we done made it. Alrighty, okay. Oh, mother freaking and the CVS. Now the question is, where is the jerky? Where's the jerky? It's on sale. $4.99 instead of $5.99. Look at God blessing me. I think we're gonna get 2 bags to get me through this snow day.
Begin scanning your items and follow the system. $5.99. It's your item in the bagging area. Place your item in the bagging area. Each item must be placed in the bagging area. 99
This suit is going
cents.
to save my life.
309.
I don't have the extra care card, so can someone like swipe theirs or something? Thank you so much for saving my life.
It's not me. Somebody made up a fake card with that phone number.
Oh.
8675309.
Thank you for scanning your extra care
Right?
card.
Like they gave me
All
the number and I was
discounts will
like,
be
oh, it
included
took me a
at
minute. I
the
was
end
like,
of the
haha,
order.
that's awesome.
There we go, because it was supposed to be $4.99, but it says
Total is
$5.99.
14.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, 6. Please select
So
your
there's the
payment
trick.
method.
Right.
Jesse's girl has a card.
Shout out to Jesse's girl.
Right?
Oh, I can't make 15. Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you for shopping at CVS. Please remove all bagged items. Yay.
Mission accomplished. I got beef jerky, I got soup, and I have an Arizona. Now, I'm from the hood. Like, I grew up in the north side of Columbus, Ohio, and that was the thing. You could just have some Twizzlers and an Arizona and some Flamin' Hot Cheetos. What? Now, Tasha Mack from The Game says that Beyonce could sing in a snowstorm. And you know, I'm a huge fan of Beyonce, so I feel like I could sing in a snowstorm too. So, should I just belt this out for y'all? Oh, I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes till I touch the sky. Make a wish, take a chance, make a change, and break away. Kelly Clarkson. And Kelly Clarkson is actually like one of my favorite artists. Like, you want to talk about soul pop music? She had the hits. Because of you, I'll never stray too far from the sidewalk. See, people thought I was only good for writing books and writing, which I am, but I'm also entertaining and can sing and just plan on living my life. So of course, it's a snow day, no classes, and I have no laptop and no Wi-Fi, so all I have is my phone and data. So I just am going to sit at the house, binge watch some television, which I never do, drink some hot tea, and enjoy my snow day. So yeah, if I can get home safely. We made it, folks. We made it. And this just goes to show you, when you want something, make a way. If not, make an excuse. I wanted some beef jerky. There was a blizzard, but I went anyway. Because when you want something, go get it. Thanks for watching, folks. Chris Sumlin, beef jerky, Boston, Massachusetts.